Welcome to our channel, where we want to share home remedies and alternative therapies 320. Remember to like us, and subscribe to our channel, thanks. And now to enjoy these 10 best home remedies for sore throat in babies. 10 best home remedies for sore throat in babies. Dealing with a sore throat in babies is a difficult challenge for all parents. It is an infection that makes it difficult for babies to swallow anything. However, it is not possible to see a doctor always. This is when old-fashioned home remedies come in handy. Even doctors vouch for these time-tested treatments. They mostly have no side effects, are inexpensive and use products that are always available at home. Watch this video until the end where you will have a surprise that you will surely love. Common causes of sore throat in babies. Common cold, tonsillitis, hand, foot, and mouth disease, strep throat, flu. How can you tell if the baby has a sore throat? Some of the signs and symptoms that may indicate that the baby has a sore throat may include insomnia, irritability, fever, cough, refusal to breastfeed or drink from a bottle, swollen glands in the neck, red throat or tonsils. Occasionally, a thin red rash on the torso, arms, and legs. Infant sore throat home remedies you must know. In some cases of throat pain, medications and medical visits are necessary, but above all, it is a minor illness that can be cured with home remedies. Here are 10 natural remedies to cure it. 1. Breast milk. Breast milk acts as an immunity booster for newborns. The antibodies present in the milk helps to fight against all types of germs, bacteria, and viruses. So, babies under 6 months of age do not require any other medication. The mother's milk is the best remedy for a sore throat treatment in newborns. 2. Soup broth. Natural remedies for a sore throat in babies can be as simple as giving a warm soup or broth. This will keep him hydrated and also soothe his sore throat. Make sure that the soup broth is just warm and not hot enough to scald his tongue. 3. Ghee. After your baby attains 6 months of age, you can give him ghee with a pinch of grounded black pepper. This will soothe his sore throat. Ghee has anti-inflammatory properties which help in bringing down the inflammation in the throat. 4. Bananas. Bananas are one of the best sore throat remedies for infants. They are soft and thus can be easily mashed and easy to swallow. They are also rich in vitamin B6, vitamin C, and potassium. 5. Honey and lemon juice. Honey is an excellent age-old remedy to treat a sore throat and suppress cold. On the other hand, lemon juice is enriched with vitamin C, which is also an immunity booster. This drink can be made by mixing a few drops of honey and a teaspoon of lemon juice to a cup of warm water. Giving this drink 3 to 4 times a day to the baby will cure his sore throat in no time. However, never give honey to a baby less than 1 year of age since it can cause infant botulism. Remember to watch this video until the end where you will have a surprise that you will surely love. 6. Mustard oil. Warm up some mustard oil. You may also mix some crushed garlic and some fenugreek seeds. After the oil cools down, you can gently massage the oil in the baby's throat. Massaging the throat with the oil will give a warming effect and soothe the baby's sore throat. 7. Steaming. Fill a bucket or tub with hot water. Close the door and window of the bathroom. Once the bathing area is filled with steam, take your baby inside. The steam heals his throat and soothes it. 8. Yogurt. Probiotics that are present in yogurt help in killing the germs. Moreover, it is soft and easy to swallow. Mixing it with some fruit like mashed apple, banana or fresh berries is a great idea. This will increase the vitamin C content, which helps in curing the sore throat. Avoid cold refrigerated yogurt. 9. Garlic. Boil a few cloves of roughly crushed of garlic in water. Once it cools down, give few drops of the liquid to the baby with the help of a dropper. The antibacterial and antiseptic properties of the garlic give fast relief from a sore throat. 10. Humidifier. A humidifier in the baby's room can moisten the dry air and keep the baby's throat moist. However, make sure to clean the humidifier regularly and put fresh water in it. If not done so, it could become a breeding ground for more bacteria. Very important. Home remedies are convenient and help during a serious situation, such as the night, when it can be difficult to take your child to the hospital. However, people should refrain from taking risks and quickly consult the pediatrics consultation, especially when it comes to the health of young children. The surprise we promised at the beginning of the video, you will find in the first link within the description of the video.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video, share, and subscribe. Thank you.